Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft failed to login error easy and quick. First type here Windows Update Settings and click check for updates and wait for it, and after that just make sure to install all the updates that you will find here, and then go to troubleshoot and click additional troubleshooters, and then scroll down until you find program compatibility troubleshooter and click run troubleshooter, and now scroll down. If you are using T launcher, just scroll down until you find here application that starts with T, and you will find it. Click on it and then click next, and now click the first one and then click test program and then click next, and after that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.